What's up, guys? And for today, I'm going to be doing a slime package. And don't mind those blue marks, it's just covering the zip code. So let's get started. So the first thing I see in here is this baggie. It says extras. The first thing in here is this eraser. The next thing I saw was this note, and it says, "Thank you for purchasing from Glitter Slimes. I hope you enjoy." From Jennifer. And the next thing is this chapstick. And this packet of borax. Wow, there's a lot in here. Thank you so much. Let's get on to the actual slime. This first one is this purple one. And I think this was grape Laffy Taffy. And this one's a butter slime. This is really stretchy. It's really, really stretchy. It's really stretchy and it's really, it spreads very well. This one's very nice. Next slime. The next slime in here is this slime, and I can't see it. Oh, it's a clear glue. Let's see if it's actually clear, because on the outside it doesn't look clear. Oh yeah, it's clear. Oh man, it broke right when I was about to blow. Let's try that one more time. You guys, that's really clear. I have one last slime in here, and I don't know what color this is yet. Oh, it's a pretty blue. And it has all these crunch beads, these foam beads, and fishbowl beads in here. This is really nice. This one's a little sticky from shipping, so that's alright because that stuff always happens. This one's really crunchy. I'm a big fan of crunchy slime, but not when the beads leak out. And that's the one thing that I like about this slime. The beads don't come out, and there's so much.